Hi, I'm Max with Save Your Home Buyers. You might have seen some of my other videos or seen me help somebody with their home in Northeast Tarrant County. I'm gonna talk a little bit right now about independent care. So this is the least restrictive type of senior housing that's out there. And it's really important to pick the right type of place for you or for your parents because services really vary, costs vary. That's why I wrote this book and workbook, Home to Home, the step-by-step senior housing guide, which teaches families. It walks them through this journey of how to figure out what their needs are, what their budget is, so you can pick the right type of facility that you want to live in. So I'm just going to, give you some things to think about, because if you pick the wrong facility, it can be disastrous. Not all facilities are created equally. The prices range a ton, the services range a ton. And so, if you get it wrong, you risk having to move somewhere else or just spend a lot of money that is really kind of wasteful. So this is an independent facility, so I'll just kind of get a pan here. So we've got like some, apartment style housing over here. And then there's like a clubhouse here in the front that's super nice. And so they have activities. So let's just kind of break down like what this facility is and isn't. So the age-restricted communities can be apartments, which is like what I have behind me. They can be single-family homes, garden homes, even townhouses. But these communities have a connected feeling. So that means, they can attract seniors who want access to, arts and crafts, bingo, a pool or a gym. I'm just gonna walk around a little bit and check this place out. A pool or a gym. Higher end facilities may even have golf or tennis, which is really cool. So there's like a huge range. So it's gonna be really difficult to like say, oh, it costs this much or that much. It just really depends on what amenities you want. Now the pros are, it's for the ability for independent seniors to socialize with people their own age. Maybe you're just like tired of having a bunch of teenagers with their stereos on. Yeah, that's not happening here. You know what I mean? Like this is, you can hear, it's a little road. This is like an amazing building. Like I really like this facility. Look at these awesome trees right here. It's like a little bit of forest, and then it's just all kind of tucked away. That's really cool. So you can socialize with people your own age, less home and yard maintenance than if you lived on your own. The cons are limited personal care and medical services compared to other options. So you're not gonna come to a place like this. We're in Richland Hills today. You're not going to come to a place like this, might be in Haltom City, but you're not going to come here if you're looking for a place, to have somebody help you with, bathing and getting dressed and all that. That's assisted living. There's no medical care here either. Estimated cost, it totally varies, $1,000 to $4,000 plus per month. Most of the folks that we reach out to here in the area, they're paying average about $2,000, which may sound like, a lot. May not sound like a lot, but just remember that you're not having to do the maintenance of your home. There's activities involved, things like that. Ways to lower the cost is obviously there's deals. It just depends. I mean, it's on location and amenities and the age of the property, so that's nothing really new there. That's just real estate. Other things to consider: some of the facilities can already be retrofitted or built with mobility restricted people in mind, and so if you're thinking about staying in your home, but it wasn't a house that was really built for mobility, like impairments. And then if you have to spend, 5 or 10 grand doing all that work, it may just be better, for you budget wise, just to move to a facility like this. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video and got some good value from it. Check out some of our other videos where we break down the different options in senior housing. And then you can always, reach out to us too if you want to get a copy of our book. And have a great day. Be well, be blessed. Bye.